Hello friends, welcome. In this video I will show you how to fast stop your Windows 11. You can see that here I am using Core i5 second generation, which is low end PC and also not supported by Windows 11 officially. But you can see that my Windows is working very fast. That's because I will show you one step in which you can fast your Windows 5 times up to 10 times. The one step I want to show you, go to the task manager and here go to the services and then click on open services. Now let's find a service which is called SYS Mine. Here you can see SYS Mine. So I will open this SYS Mine. This service maintains and improves the system by time, but we do not want to do this because we want our system to be faster from the first. So it will be automatic. We will change it to manual or disable and stop the service and click on OK. After you click on OK, the service will be disabled. When the service is disabled, you can feel that your Windows is working even 5 or 10 times faster. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the subscribe and bell button to get more information like this. Goodbye.